Good morning, students. Welcome to Blue Star High Secondary School, Class 8, Subject English. Today we are going to see the tense form. What is a tense? Tense tell the action related to a time. Time can be present, past, or future. I'll read it again. What is a tense? Tense tell the action related to a time. Time can be present, past, or future. It can be a present, it can be past, or it can be future. So students, what is a past tense? Past tense is a verb tense expressing activity, action, state or being in the past. What is a past tense? Past tense is a verb tense expressing activity, action state or being in the past. Students, there are 16 tenses in the tense form. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, past perfect tense. Simple future, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense, past future tense, past future continuous tense, past future perfect tense, past future perfect continuous tense. Now let's see the structure of the tenses. For simple present tense, subject plus verb plus es. For present continuous tense, subject plus is or am or are plus verb plus ing. Present perfect tense, subject plus has or have plus verb 3. Present perfect continuous tense, subject plus has or have plus been plus verb ing plus since or for. Simple present tense, subject plus verb 2 or irregular verb. For past continuous tense, subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing. For past perfect tense, subject plus had plus verb 3. Past perfect continuous tense, subject plus had plus been plus verb ing. Simple future tense, subject plus will or shall plus verb 1. Future continuous tense, subject plus will or shall be plus verb ing. Future perfect tense, subject plus will have plus verb 3. Future perfect continuous tense, subject plus will have been plus verb plus ing. Past future tense, subject plus would plus verb 1. Past future continuous tense, subject plus should or would plus be plus verb plus ing. Past future perfect tense, subject plus should or would plus have plus verb 3. Past future perfect continuous tense, subject plus would have plus been plus verb ing. Now we are going to see the past perfect and the past perfect continuous tense in our class. Okay? Now let's see what are the types of past tense. Past simple tense, past continuous or progressive tense, past perfect continuous tense, past perfect tense. I read it once again. Past simple tense, past continuous or progressive tense, past perfect continuous tense, past perfect tense. In today's topic, we will learn past perfect continuous tense and past perfect tense. So we will see it explainedly. Now we will see past perfect tense at first. Past perfect tense usage. Usage. to talk about an event which happened in the past. It ended with another past action. So past perfect tense is the event which happened in the past and it ended with the another past action. Note, it puts emphasis on event instead of duration. It can be used interchangeably with the past perfect continuous tense. We already know for past tense we use verbs plus ed. In the past perfect tense we have to use had plus past participle. The form, the affirmative, make it with had plus past participle of the main verb. Let's see the examples. I had been. You had gone. She had met. She had played. It had rained. We had bought. They had studied, etc. Likewise, had is using had in a sentence with the past participle of the main verb refers to the past perfect tense. Now let's see the past perfect tense syntax. If the sentence is positive, subject plus had plus verb ed or irregular verb or past participle. If the sentence is negative, we have to use subject plus had plus not plus verb ed or irregular verb past participle. Subject plus had plus never plus verb ed irregular verb past participle. We have to use, if a sentence is positive, we have to use like this: subject plus had plus verb ed or irregular verb of a past participle. And if it is a negative sentence, you have to use subject plus had plus not plus verb ed or irregular verb of past participle. In other form, subject plus had plus never plus verb ed or irregular verb of past participle. Now let's see the examples for the past perfect tense example. And if it is a positive sentence, she had just left the scene when the ambulance arrived. So it is a past positive sentence, so we use had. The next sentence, I thought I had met her before, but I was wrong. I had met. Third sentence, had you had your dinner? Had in this sentence refers to the past perfect tense. Had she withdrawn her money? In this sentence, had withdrawn is the past perfect tense. Next sentence, if we had called ahead, we wouldn't have needed to wait so long for a table. Had called and have needed are the past perfect tense. We had just called home when my mom texted us. In this sentence, we used had and called. Texted is the past perfect tense. The next sentence, she had visited. In this sentence, had visited is the past perfect tense. For the negative sentence, we have to add not in the sentence. I had not been, you had not gone, she had not met, she had not played, it had not rained, we had not bought, we had not studied. I had not been, had not gone, had not met, had not played, had not rained, had not bought, had not studied are the negative form of the past perfect tense. In the past perfect tense, we have to make a yes or no question. You have to put had before the subject. Had I come? Had you eaten? Had she gone? Had it rained? Had he studied? Had we met? Had they left? I, you, she, it, he, we, they are the subject form and we put had in front of the subject. And for the WH questions, put the question word at the beginning of the sentence in a past perfect tense. For example, when had I come? Why had you eaten? Where had she gone? When had it rained? Why had he studied? How had we met? When had they left? We put when, why, where, when, how in the beginning of the sentence. So the WH questions put the question word at the beginning of the past perfect tense. So apply all rules and exceptions to convert a simple verb into ED form, which we learned in the class of past simple tense. Try a sentence of your own with each of the clue words and with a form. And now let's see the past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. Usage. To talk about an event which started in the past and continued for specific time in the past. However, not continued till present moment. So the note, the event is over in the past and was in action for some time. It put emphasis on duration of completion. Used to show action in progress in past until another event occurred. Okay, the simple past continuous tense is it is about to talk the event which started in the past and continued for some specific time in the past and however not continued till present moment. And the form for the present continuous tense is here is show to make the past perfect continuous tense. Had plus been, the past participle of be plus main verb plus ing. That is had plus been plus ing form. Okay? Had plus been plus ing form for the past continuous tense. Likewise, we will see the affirmative form now. I had been living. Had plus been plus live plus ing. So, I had been living. You had been going. She had been sleeping. He had been working. It had been raining. We had been studying. They had been cooking. In the past perfect continuous tense, had plus been plus ing form. Now let's see the past perfect continuous tense syntax. If the past perfect continuous tense is positive, you have to use subject plus had been plus verb plus ing. If it is negative, subject plus had not been plus verb plus ing. For the past continuous tense examples. For the past positive sentence, they had been talking for over an hour before Tony arrived. See, here in the sentence, had been talking refers to past perfect continuous tense. The boys had been quarreling for half an hour when we arrived home. Had been quarreling is a past perfect continuous tense. And the road was wet because it had been raining. Had been raining is a past perfect continuous tense. She said she knew Charlie had been lying to her. Had been lying is a past perfect continuous tense. They had been talking for over an hour before Tony arrived. In this sentence, they had been talking before Tony was arrived there. So, the past perfect continuous describes an action that continued over a period of time up to a point in the past. So, we used had plus been plus ing form. Now, let's see the past perfect continuous tense with a negative sentence. Mary had not been waiting for longer than 10 minutes. He said he wasn't tired because he hadn't been working that day. If it had been raining, we would have played football. In the sentence, we used had plus not plus been plus ing form. So, In the sentence, Mary had not been waiting for longer than 10 minutes. Had not been waiting is a past perfect continuous tense. Mary had not been waiting for longer than 10 minutes. Likewise, other sentences are: he said he wasn't tired because he had not been working that day. Had not been working is a past perfect continuous tense. He wasn't tired because of what? He had not been working that day. Now let's see the yes or no question form for the past perfect continuous tense. Had I been working? Had you been sleeping? Had she been reading? Had he been watching TV? Had it been raining? Had we been drinking? Had they been eating? Likewise, it goes on. For WH questions in the past perfect continuous tense, where had I been working? How long had you been sleeping? What had she been reading? How long had he been watching TV? How long had it been raining? What had we been drinking? Why had they been eating? In this WH questions are coming before the had plus been plus ing form. So students, for the past perfect continuous tense, apply all rules and exceptions to convert a simple verb into ing form, which we learned in class of present continuous and present perfect continuous tense. So you can remember. So the past perfect continuous is to describe an action that continued over a period of time up to a point of the past. Its form is had plus been plus ing form. So students, assignment for you is use the past perfect form of the words in the box to complete the sentence. When I had finished reading my book, I went for a walk. Had finished. After the likewise, you have to finish all those sentences.
Welcome to Blue Star SND School, Class 8, Subject English. Take your grammar classwork note. Write the index page with past perfect and past perfect continuous. Take a fresh page. Draw a double line here. The past perfect and the past perfect continuous tense. Use black pen. What is a past tense? A tense expressing an action that has happened or a state that previously existed. We can easily find or we can easily add verbs plus ed if it is a past tense. Okay, past perfect tense. So what is past perfect tense? Past perfect tense to denote an earlier event, especially with time words like already, by then, before, until, yet, just. We can use had plus past participle in the past perfect tense. So past perfect continuous. What is past perfect continuous? The past perfect continuous to describe an action that continued over a period of time up to a point in the past. So we can easily find the form is had plus been plus ing form. And we easily say the simple past and the past perfect tense. What is the difference between the simple past and the past perfect tense? The base form of regular verbs plus ed is called the simple past tense or past tense form of, and we can see it, this are the irregular verbs in the simple past tense. Walked, cooked, laughed, taught, bought, ate, drove, etc. And the past perfect is had plus past participle. We can see had, eat plus en, had bought, had walked, had taught. So we have to use had plus the simple past participle form of a verb. Okay. Then past perfect continuous and the past perfect tense. We have to use had plus been plus ing of the verb in the past perfect continuous. And the past perfect tense is had plus past participle. For example, had plus been plus ing of the verb is had been. Practice is a verb and ing of the verb. So had been practicing. Here had practiced. Had practiced. So had plus past participle. Now we are going to write the exercise. Complete the sentence using the past perfect form of the verb in the bracket. So what they disconnected my electricity. I dash to pay the bill. Had forgotten, because the past perfect form. So had plus forgotten. Had forgotten. Okay. Maria's room was dirty. She dashed not clean it for days. Had not cleaned. She no longer had a bike. She had sold it off to pay. Then next, complete the sentence with the past perfect continuous form of the verbs in the bracket. So past perfect continuous we have to use had plus been plus ing. We can see here it in the sentence. We dash for nearly there for 3 hours before the bus arrived. Wait. So we have to use had been waiting. How long dash she dash sleep? How long had been sleeping? Anirudh lost some weight back then because he dash exercise. He had been exercising. Thank you, students.
I think you learned something in our today's class. Thank you for your attention, children.